Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we are making these delicious and crunchy Nigerian buns, and here are all the ingredients I'll be using. I'll leave the list in the description box below. You can check it out. So let's get started. Into my mixing bowl, I will add in some all-purpose flour, which I've already sifted. I'm using 6 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll add in some sugar, some milk powder, nutmeg, baking powder, salt, and baking soda. Mix everything together. Like I said earlier on, you will find a list of ingredients with the measurements in my description box below. After mixing it, I'll then add it butter. I'm using 2 tablespoons of margarine. You can also use butter. We call everything butter. After mixing in the butter into the flour mix, I'll then add water. I'm using water. In case you are using liquid milk, it is also time to add it. I'm adding the water little by little to avoid adding excess water to it. But in all, I used 2.5 cups of water. And here we have it. This is the consistency I want. I don't want it too light or lighter than as it is now. If you want a softer buns, you can add more water to it, but this will give me the crunchiness of the buns I'm looking for. And you can also use this particular dough to make your egg roll, in case you want to make egg rolls. So I'm using some of it anyway for about 4 egg rolls. So here it is. Next, now we'll just leave it for about 10 minutes and then we'll fry. While the dough was resting, I heat up some oil. So here I have the oil already hot. You know that it is hot when you put in that stick or anything and it bubbles. And then we'll start putting in the buns or the dough. To make this, I touch my hand in water, mold the buns or the batter or the dough a little, whichever way you call it. Mold it a little and then add into the oil. I don't want it looking that I want a smooth bun, so that is why I mold it. If your oil is too hot, reduce it before adding the batter or the buns to fry, so that it doesn't get burnt on the outside without cooking inside. And then you can increase it as you fry to medium heat. Also flip it around as if as it fries so that it can fry all round or both sides. And you continue to fry until you get that golden brown color. And here our buns is ready, and you can see it's looking beautifully delicious. I hope you have given the video a thumbs up. Please click that like button if you have not done so, and if you have done so, thank you so much. You are a darling. When your buns is well fried, take it out from the oil, put into a basket where the excess oil can dry off or go off. And here we have our delicious, crunchy but soft buns. It is crunchy on the outside, soft in the inside, and tastes so delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you all. Please don't forget to click on the like button and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.